Welcome to the character setup tutorial. This is carrying on from the project setup, but I've added Paragon's Greystone. I've also set him up for retargeting. I've also organized the assets so they're right where I can find them easily. So here's his retargeting settings, and he's been set up with the retarget manager. I'm not going to cover how to retarget a character. That goes for any animation. And what you need to do can differ based on whether you're using the very easy Paragon assets that are built to the Unreal Engine mannequin, or something completely different that's not made for Unreal Engine 4. Either way, VaultIt can support it, but you need to learn about animation retargeting if you're not getting good results. If you did the C++ character integration tutorial or the VaultIt integration tutorial, which are both optional, you'll have a character blueprint already, or you'll at least have a different base to use. But if I come into VaultIt content and blueprints, there are blueprints I can duplicate and use. So for this tutorial, he will be a player character, so I'm not going to duplicate the AI, and he doesn't have first person. And it's okay to duplicate this blueprint and then reparent him to MIVI character as well. So I'm just going to call this BP Greystone. Now, if you did not do any of the optional tutorials, then at the very least your character needs to inherit from VI character. If you're using VaultIt MIVI bridge, then it inherits from MIVI character. And if I open this up, I can assign Greystone mesh. He doesn't have an animation blueprint just yet, but that's fine. It's coming in the next tutorial. All we're doing is laying the groundwork. So we've got a character set up that inherits from VI character. His mesh is assigned. We have a Vault input. And we have our input. So we have a character set up to at least get started with. I'm just going to quickly make a game mode. PPGM Greystone. And I guess we'll have a map for him. So 10 nice and wide. And in world settings, we're going to assign this game mode. And then we're going to assign Greystone as a pawn. And let's save this map. Greystone. So if I apply. Alright. So the character setup, if you're not using a pre-existing character, is very simple. But the main thing is it needs to inherit from the correct parent class. And that is a class that has been set up to work with VaultIt. So next tutorial, we'll look at getting an animation graph set up so we can actually vault. Alright, thank you for watching.